this video, we're going to look at types of variable or types of data. So first of all, we've got qualitative variables or qualitative data. And they are non-numerical pieces of information, such as hair color, blonde, brown, etc. Favorite football team, materials such as gold, silver, etc. They would all be non-numerical pieces of information, so they're all qualitative variables. Next, quantitative variables or quantitative data, and that's numerical information such as heights of buildings, time taken, numbers of passengers. They're all given as numbers, so they would all be quantitative variables. Next, discrete variables. Now, a discrete variable or discrete data is a variable that can only take certain values. So there are ones such as shoe size. Shoe sizes are going to be 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, etc. You don't get values in between those, so they would be that's a discrete pieces of information or discrete variable. That's a discrete variable. Next, number of televisions. They're going to take whole numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can't have decimal numbers of televisions, so that would be a discrete variable. And similarly, currency or money, that is a discrete variable. You've only got the certain values of coins. Now, don't get currency mixed up with value of something. For instance, you can put any value on something, but obviously with currency you can only pay certain values. So currency is a discrete variable. An example of why value would be continuous is if you, for instance, went to a petrol station. You can see the prices of petrol would have decimal values and so on, stocks and shares, etc. Whereas currency or money is discrete. They can only take certain values. Next, continuous data. Continuous data, sorry about that. Continuous data, okay? Continuous data is a variable that can take any value on a given scale. So examples of continuous data or continuous variables would be height, the height of somebody. It can take any value on a given scale. Time taken, again, they can take any values on a given scale. Weight of a puppy, etc. And that's it. So the four main types of variable that you need to know for S1 are qualitative variables, so non-numerical; quantitative, they are numerical pieces of information; discrete variables, they're values that can only take certain values; and continuous variables, and they are variables that can take any value on a given scale. And that's it.